What is your name? Ankita is here. Ankita Chaudhary, right? And today you can see the confidence of these girls. And second time he's come in the stage, right? And she just starting speaking in English. First of all, Ankita, introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, good afternoon. Sir. My name is Ankita Chaudhary. I read in class third. I am 8 years old. I live in Saharanpur. My father name is Vivekanand Chaudhary. He is he is the accountant. My mother name is Pratibha Chaudhary. She is a home manager. My hobby is study and play games. My dream is IPS officer.
You want to
Thank you.
become IPS officer?
Yes,
That's
sir.
great. Who inspire you to become IPS officer? किसने आपको इंस्पायर किया आईपीएस ऑफिसर बनने?
खुद से.
खुद से. सेल्फ मेड. क्या होता है
Yes, sir.
आईपीएस ऑफिसर? डू यू नो व्हाट इज द आईपीएस ऑफिसर? डोंट बी हेजिटेट. आप काफी लोग बैठे हैं, इतने बड़े लोग बैठे हैं, तो लगता है छोटे बच्चे थोड़ा हेजिटेट हो जाते हैं right now, but you can see the confidence first time when you came on the stage. You can see your confidence, also lose your confidence. So don't worry, we just try to conduct a different session how to build your confidence. So say everything. Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
ऐसे करिए hand को. Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
My name is Ankita.
My name is Ankita.
I am here
Today I am here
to tell you
to tell you
I am very confident girl,
I am very confident girl.
and today you can see my confidence.
You can see my confidence.
You can see my body.
You can see my body.
You can see my hair.
You can see.
Today I am here.
Today I am here.
Today I am here
Today I am here
because
because
I wanna share you something.
I go there
I wanna share you something.
there to do
Something special.
special. Something special.
If you want to learn English,
If you want to learn English,
if you want to learn English, you have to do hard work.
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 So are you ready for doing hard work? ऐसे करिए. So are you ready?
So are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you excited?
Are you excited?
Okay, let's start the session.
Okay, like the lesson.
Let's start the session.
Let's start the session.
Okay, my dear friends.
Okay, my dear friends.
Let's get start.
Let's start.
Let's get start.
Let's get start.
Thank you so much, Ankita. Clap for this little child. Okay. He has the great confidence in this age. Work on that particular field in this age. So it means what you want to achieve, you can achieve.